In this video, we are going to show you a Facebook ads checklist to help you level up. My name is Eric Siu. I'm the co-host of the Marketing School podcast, where we nerd out on marketing every single day, and the host of the Growth Everywhere podcast, where we nerd out on entrepreneurship every single week. So enjoy the video. And here we go.
My name's Jeff, and I'm gonna walk you through the Facebook checklist. Number 1, have really good creative. You'll wanna make sure that you have really engaging creative, whether it be an image or a video, to catch the user's eye to stop them from scrolling through their newsfeed. If you don't have your own photography, you can use a great stock photo website like 2020, for example. Has really great authentic looking photos. Great image or video is really crucial here. It's the first thing that users focus on before the headline and the copy. Number 2, persuasive text. The length of your text really depends on your vertical or product that you're selling and how much your audience knows about your product or vertical. What you'll want to do here is really speak to your audience depending on their knowledge level of what you're selling. So if you're selling an e-commerce product, something like shoes, for example, you probably want your copy to be pretty short, and longer copy would probably turn your audience off to your product. However, if you're selling something like an information product or a technical service, you may want to have longer copy so that you have more of a chance to persuade your audience. You want to inform them a little bit about your product so that they click through and convert. Number 3, audience targeting. Test different audiences. You can go both broad, where you can get really low cost and then get some insights from the different demo breakdowns on how that audience is performing. And you can also go really narrow and layer over different interests and behaviors over each other. Going more narrow will yield higher cost to reach people, but also a higher conversion rate. So find a balance between the two and test out a bunch of different variations. Number 4, set the right objectives based on your business goal. This is going to depend also on the volume of conversions that you're getting. Facebook's algorithm optimizes best when you're getting at least 15 to 25 conversions within a week. So if you have your conversion goal set up to be a purchase event and you're only getting 3 purchases a week, you may want to set that conversion event back a little bit, back to the add to cart or landing page view or even a link click, for example, so that you get enough data to feed into the Facebook algorithm so that it optimizes correctly. Number 5, make sure your landing page is congruent with your ad. Users will bounce immediately if they hit your landing page and it isn't what they expected and it isn't in line with your ad copy, your ad creative, or the quality of your ad. Number 6, refresh creative. Click-through rates will decrease significantly if your frequency has hit 2 or 2.5 for an individual ad. So look at the ad level and determine if the frequency has gotten up a little too high, and then also look and see if the click-through rates have dropped a bit. If click-through rates are dropping, that means it's time to refresh your creative. All right, that's the Facebook checklist. Thanks, and back to you, Eric.
If you enjoyed the power-ups from this video, go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me what you're gonna do to actually level up. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit subscribe as well, and we'll see you tomorrow.